Hey there! In our last video, we learned how to add tooltips to WPForms. But did you know you can fully customize their look and feel? In today's video, I will show you how to tweak the tooltip theme to match your website's design perfectly. Once you are in Tooltips panel, scroll down to the Tooltips theme section. Here, you will find 6 beautiful pre-designed themes: default, light, borderless, punk and noir. Each of these themes give a unique look to your tooltips, so feel free to experiment and find the one that best fits your website style. Want even more control? Select the custom option. This unlocks several customization settings to help you create the perfect tooltip design. First, choose a background color for your tooltip. Make sure it contrasts well with the text color so that it's easy to read. Next, set the font size and color to match your website's typography. If you want to add a border around the tooltip, adjust the border size setting. You can also round the edges using the border radius option for a softer look. Don't forget to set the arrow color to match your design. Once you have made your changes, preview them live in the form preview panel. Tweak the settings until you are happy with the final results. Remember, a well-designed tooltip can make a big difference in user experience. And that's it. You know how to completely customize the tooltip themes in WPForms. Play around with the settings and make your tooltips stand out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress customization tips. See you in next video.